Alright, I'm on Merriam Drive in Kansas City, Kansas, heading into Merriam. We are just on the eastern edge of the storm, and it's raining pretty torrentially, and we're not even really in the thick of it, according to the radar. Some pretty good lightning. I've got my dog Tina with me as always, and she's scared whenever she hears that lightning. That thunder.
We couldn't copy. Here's the video description one more time. I'm close to the area. A small white PC, 995, David George King.
We had a little bit of a crash, not a physical crash of the car. We ain't use that term, but the thing I used to stream with.
Information, the female has also left the scene with a utility driver.
I'm going to have to pan my radar down just a little bit to follow the storm. It's moving pretty quickly in the southern direction.
It was northbound on Merriam Drive. 16, show me out at 1707 New Jersey on a white Pontiac.
Oh, we got some hail, alright. I'm gonna have
I copy 1707 New Jersey, Park 44, but I do not have the tag. Expired March 2009, 1991 Mazda to Justin Richardson out of Council Grove. That's what I get. 116, I copy 1707 New Jersey, so I have the tag again.
Hail is like
228
size hail. Nothing too severe yet.
County. There's severe thunderstorm warnings for portions of Franklin, Leavenworth, and Wyandotte County have been canceled. However, a severe thunderstorm warning is set until 6:45. Johnson County. This storm likely producing damaging winds over 60 miles per hour and producing destructive winds in Wyandotte and Leavenworth County. There's also been very heavy rainfall in those areas and a variety of flood warnings. I'll tell you about that shortly, but I want to again emphasize this is a dangerous storm in Johnson County. You should be, if you're in Johnson County, you can tell you immediately inside a 30 structure and stay away from windows, particularly affected by this storm. In Johnson County, Mission Hills, Prairie Village, Overton Park are next to Leewood, Olathe, Lackman, Clare, and Stanley. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds, as I mentioned. It also has a history of producing large hail and quite a few damage reports in Leavenworth and Wyandotte counties from this storm. In addition, the very heavy rainfall has also caused a new flood advisory, urban and small stream flood advisory for all of Johnson County until midnight. Doppler radar indicates that 1 inch of rain has already fallen across northern portions of Johnson County, and there may be another inch and a half on the way, perhaps even more than that, the National Weather Service said. So they do expect some flooding to occur in low-lying areas and low water crossings throughout Johnson County. This is in addition to flash flood warning in effect for western Platte and northern Leavenworth counties until 1 p.m. and urban and small stream flood advisory for southern Leavenworth and Wyandotte County until 11:30. A flash flood warning for southern Leavenworth and Wyandotte County until midnight. There's also a significant weather alert in effect for central and eastern Franklin County. A strong thunderstorm with winds of 40 to 50 miles per hour and capable of producing pea-sized hail affecting central and eastern Franklin County. We'll keep an eye on this severe weather. Right now, the bulk of the severe weather, or the severe weather really, is in Johnson County. If you're in Johnson County, if it's not storming where you are now, you should be seeking shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows, as this history does have there's a storm, I should say, does have a history of
Contact the Steve Impact 913
This is Kansas Public Radio. Back to you, sir.
5806.